Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Muffins Preppy Kitchen, updated. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees F and line your muffin tin while measuring ingredients precisely. Mix dry ingredients separately, then whisk the wet mix until smooth. Fold the batter gently to keep air pockets intact and spoon into tins evenly. Bake until golden and a toothpick comes out clean, then cool on a rack before glazing or serving. In this video, I will explain how to make Muffins Preppy Kitchen, updated. Start by choosing a flavor profile that complements tea or coffee, like lemon blueberry or chocolate espresso. Measure add-ins to avoid overwhelming the batter, and fold gently to distribute evenly. Consider toppings like streusel or coarse sugar for a crunchy finish and visual appeal. Adjust sugar and citrus to taste for the perfect balance in every bite. In this video, I will help how to make Muffins Preppy Kitchen, updated. Bring eggs and milk to room temperature to help batter blend smoothly and rise evenly. Measure flour by spooning and leveling to prevent heavy, dense muffins. Mix just until the dry streaks disappear to maintain a light crumb. Use an ice cream scoop for uniform portions and rotate the tin halfway through baking for even browning and consistent texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.